How to show your birthday on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show it easy and quick. First open VK and now click on your profile here. Once you're here, click these 3 points and then click edit profile and then scroll down and here we'll find profile, then scroll down and then click here. Now click show my profile and you can select this one if you want and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.